So what is the Entrepreneurial Excellence Series? The Entrepreneurial Excellence Series is essentially an exclusive member-based business development group. At its core, it is a hybrid concept combining networking, workshops, training and referrals into one phenomenal concept. The sole purpose of this group is to give business owners the opportunity to develop strong, meaningful relationships. Some of our unique member benefits include the ability to conduct live presentations, access to online courses and workshops, business development, referrals, networking, a monthly business magazine, and much more. So, if you want to learn best practices for time management, share your business presentation, or find the right group of people to build your next mastermind, you're in the right place. The Entrepreneurial Excellence Series is a unique business experience with loads of perks to make it worth your time and dime. To apply now, click the button at the bottom of the page